Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Discord notifications not working on iPhone. First, open the Discord and then go to profiles icon settings and then go to settings and then search for notifications and make sure all the notifications or the ones you want are enabled. Next, check your iPhone settings, go to settings and then go to notifications. After that, go ahead and search for Discord, and if you have turned off notification, then turn the allow notifications option on. After that, check if do not disturb mode or focus mode is on. Make sure your DND or focus isn't blocking notifications. Privacy tip: only enable notification on your personal device to avoid exposing sensitive alerts. Quick fix: if notifications still don't work, restart your iPhone and reopen Discord. Log out and back in to refresh notification settings. Reinstall Discord if the issue proceeds. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick Discord.